anyone else want? Lisa, do you want to have a clipper and go, or?
I'm having some troubles with the Vex bit. That doesn't seem to be going.
You just don't know how to use it, that's all.
Your turn. Lisa's just getting a bit demanding there. I better hand them over. That feels good.
Don't forget to put powder on it, Matthew.
You get the towel out.
Get the talc.
I don't know how to do that bit really.
No, give me a go. I
Want the
know how
mirror?
to do it.
You want the
Give
mirror?
me the clippers.
I'm gonna just go away now.
You're going through there. It's easy.
Just relax.
Give it a wink. Give it a wink.
She needs a wink now, quick.
Wink in me.
Needs one. Whoops.
Did you hear there?
Just say
Whoops is not what she wants to hear.
it's